Welcome. Universe and StreamDeck is a powerful team to build complex control tools with a simple interface. In some cases, our central universe machine might be placed in a rack or another room not accessible with a USB connection. Universe Satellite tackles this challenge by making StreamDecks available for Universe on the local network. Any StreamDeck connected to a PC running Universe Satellite can be selected in the Universe instance the satellite is connected to. To design the interface, we need to add a new layout for the StreamDeck type we have and assign the StreamDeck that is connected through the satellite. The selected layout will also be shown in the satellite UI. We can now use the remote StreamDeck just like a local one. Note that you can connect multiple StreamDecks from multiple satellites on the network. Cheers!